Hi friends, welcome to channel. You are watching Darun Mode YouTube channel. I am Darun. In this video, we are going to see Smart School Android application version 3.4. So in that version 3.4, many user facing API fetching error and many more API issues. So in this video, I'm going to give you the live demo of complete working Smart School Android version 3.4 application. So in this video I'm going to build a debug version of Smart School Android version 3.4 APK. Then I will deploy that APK in this emulator. So you can see there is no a Smart School application in this app drawer. So in this video I'm going to build a complete new APK. Then I will run that APK in the emulator. So once I run that emulator successfully, we can go with the login details of the students, and I will show the complete feature of that Smart School Android version 3.4 working application. So let's start the video. So this is the Android application of Smart School. So in that official website they posted version 3.4. So you can see the change log in that bottom. So if you want, so you can see the version 3.4 is available now. So in the 3.4, many API issues coming from that APK. So in this video, I'm going to build a complete new APK. Then I will go with the my demo Smart School student credential. Then I will give you the full feature, what are the options is available in the system, and I will explain how it's working. Okay, so let's start the APK build. So I opened the Android Studio. I already loaded the Android project in my Android Studio. So now I'm going to build a APK. So just click the play button. Once I click the play button, the build is started. So you can see the build is starting. So now the build is, once the build is complete, the APK will automatically run in the emulator. Once the emulator start the APK, I will log in with my student details. Then I will give you the complete features of that Smart School Android version 3.4. So now the APK is built successfully. You can see there is no issue in the code. So the APK is completely built in the Android Studio. Now I'm going to copy the URL from my server. So this is the login URL for a student. So once I copy that, okay, now I'm going to show you the big screen. So you can see the screen now clearly. Okay, I will paste the URL. So this is the URL. So same URL I'm using in the my demo web panel. Okay, now click the submit button. See, it's not showing any fetching error. So now we are going to use student login details. So this is the student login details. Okay, I copy the student ID and I copy the student password. Now I click the paste the student password, and you can see ID and password is same. Now I am going to click the login button. So once I click the login button, you can see the complete new dashboard of Smart School version 3.4. So this is the Android application of Smart School version 3.4. You can verify the version in the side menu. So you can see this is the version 3.4 supporting on 6.4 web panel. So this is the user dashboard of Smart School Android version 3.4. Now I will click the some options and features so we can verify it's working or not. First of all, most of the user facing profile issue. So we are going with the profile. So profile, when I click the profile, the fetching is completely working. So now the student details is showing, parent detail is also showing, other detail is also showing. So you can see the name of the student and roll number, admission number, everything is showing. Now I'm going to click the about school. When I click the about school, you can see the name of Darun Modes and the mobile number of that phone number of my WhatsApp number. So this is the complete working script. If you don't believe that, you can go with system, then click the general, and you can see this is the school details. When I change the email ID, if I want, okay, when I change, so I change the school name and click the save button. What will be show in the application? Now I will show the new school name. Okay, when I click the school, you can see now it's showing Darun Mode's YouTube channel. That means the server is connected with the application perfectly. So now I'm going to click the add-ons. So many users telling about add-on section is not also working. So once I click the online course, you can see no data because I don't add any data from the add-on, like online course. So when I click the online course section, there is no data I added in the list. Okay, so now I'm going to click the Zoom classes. So see, there is no option because I did not add any Zoom classes in that. So okay, now we are going to check the fees section. So you can see the other option in the new dashboard. So the UI is looking good compared to the version 3.3 to 3.4 for Android Smart School. So okay, now I click the fees section. When I click the fees section, you can see the fees options. So you can see the fees data. So in this data, it's showing unpaid. When I click the pay button, the Paytm URL will be showing, and once I click the payment, it will be working. So the every function in this process perfectly. If you want this code, just contact me in WhatsApp. You can just log in with this site and click this WhatsApp button, or in this video description I will give you the WhatsApp URL. Just click on the contact me, or in the screen you can see my WhatsApp number. Just message me in my WhatsApp and you will get the source code with the documentation. I will give you complete documentation what the developer giving, and I will give you the working source code what I fixed from the developer side. So in this code, it's not asking any purchase code or any unregistered verified application, something like that. So it will be working completely on your server if your server have Android verify removed. Okay, so in my server, I mean in my web panel, I remove the Android purchase code verification, that means mobile app purchase code verification. So if your system support this option, you can get the Android application from me, or otherwise you can just contact me. I will remove this section and you can directly use my application. If you want this code, just contact me in WhatsApp. And if you want to remove the Android mobile app purchase code verifications function in your panel, I can remove that also. Just contact me. Thank you.